If you're over 60 and you shower every morning, you might be unknowingly putting stress on your heart, drying out your skin faster, and even increasing your risk of falls. That sounds dramatic, but it's not fear. It's physiology. As we age, our bodies respond to temperature, balance, and blood pressure very differently than they did at 30 or 40. And what feels like a refreshing morning shower might actually be one of the most stressful moments of your day. Today we're going to break down exactly why seniors may want to reconsider morning showers, and what health experts often recommend instead. Stay with me, because number 3 surprises almost everyone. Section 1. The body changes after 60. After age 60, your body undergoes major internal shifts. Blood vessels stiffen, skin becomes thinner and drier, blood pressure regulation becomes slower, balance becomes more fragile, core temperature fluctuates more easily. These changes are natural, but they make one thing very important. Timing matters, especially when it comes to exposure to heat, standing in slippery environments, and sudden temperature changes. That's exactly what a morning shower involves. Section 2. Morning blood pressure is more unstable. Here's something many seniors don't realize. Blood pressure is naturally highest and most unstable in the morning. Doctors call this the morning surge. Research from institutions like the American Heart Association has shown that heart attacks and strokes are more likely to occur in the early morning hours. Now imagine this. You wake up, your body is still transitioning from sleep. Your circulation hasn't fully stabilized. Then you step into a hot shower. Hot water causes blood vessels to expand. That sudden dilation can cause blood pressure to drop quickly. For a younger person, that's usually fine. For someone over 65, it can mean dizziness, lightheadedness, sudden weakness, even fainting. And fainting in a shower is extremely dangerous. Section 3. The fall risk. No one talks about the bathroom is already the most dangerous room in the house for seniors. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, falls are the leading cause of injury-related death among adults over 65. Now combine wet surfaces, steam-reducing visibility, standing on one leg to wash, sudden blood pressure drops, and morning grogginess. Your balance in the first hour after waking up is not as sharp as it is later in the day. Your muscles are stiffer, your joints are less lubricated, your reaction time is slower. Morning showering increases fall risk more than most seniors realize. Section 4. Hot showers can stress the heart. When you step into hot water, your body goes through rapid cardiovascular adjustments. Heart rate increases, blood vessels widen, blood pressure fluctuates. For seniors with high blood pressure, heart disease, irregular heartbeat, diabetes, circulation problems, that stress may not be harmless. Cardiologists often caution older adults about extreme temperature exposure, especially first thing in the morning when cortisol levels are already elevated. The heart is working harder in those early hours. Adding heat stress may not be ideal. Section 5. Morning skin is more vulnerable. Here's something rarely discussed. Senior skin loses oil production and elasticity. Morning showers, especially hot ones, strip natural protective oils from already thin skin. This can lead to itching, cracking, increased infection risk, worsening eczema, bruising. Dermatologists frequently recommend lukewarm water and moisturizing immediately after bathing, but timing also matters. Your skin barrier is more fragile when dehydrated overnight. A hot shower first thing in the morning can make dryness worse throughout the day. Section 6. Sleep quality may suffer. Now here's the twist. Many sleep specialists actually recommend warm showers, but not in the morning. They recommend them at night. Why? Because warm water increases body temperature temporarily. When you step out, your body cools down. That cooling process triggers melatonin production, the hormone that helps you sleep. Organizations like the National Sleep Foundation explain that a warm shower 1 to 2 hours before bed can improve sleep quality. Morning showers don't provide that benefit. In fact, they may disrupt your natural circadian rhythm if they're overly stimulating. Section 7. The cortisol factor. Cortisol is your wake-up hormone. It peaks naturally in the morning. A hot shower acts as a mild stressor. Stress increases cortisol even more. For seniors already dealing with anxiety, sleep fragmentation, blood sugar issues, excess stimulation in the morning may not be helpful. Some older adults report feeling drained after a morning shower rather than energized. That's not weakness, that's biology. Section 8. When morning showers might be okay. Now let's be balanced. Not every senior should avoid morning showers. They may be fine if water is lukewarm, shower time is short, you sit on a shower chair, blood pressure is stable, there's no dizziness history, anti-slip mats are installed. The key is awareness. The problem isn't cleanliness. It's timing and intensity. Section 9. Why evening showers may be better. Evening showers have several potential benefits for seniors. 1. Muscles are warmer and looser. 2. Blood pressure is more stable. 3. Balance is stronger later in the day. 4. The body transitions naturally toward rest afterward. 5. Improved sleep quality. Warm water in the evening can relax joints, reduce inflammation, and ease stiffness from arthritis. That makes movement easier the next day. For many seniors, showering at night reduces fall risk and improves rest. Section 10. The psychological habit. Many people grew up believing clean people shower in the morning, but habits formed in your 20s may not serve your body at 70. Health is not about tradition. It's about adaptation. Your body deserves routines that match its current needs. Section 11. Warning signs you should reconsider morning showers. If you notice feeling faint in the shower, needing to hold the wall, heart racing, blurry vision, fatigue afterward, skin becoming extremely dry, these are signals, not aging weakness, signals. And ignoring them can be risky. Section 12. Safer showering tips for seniors. If you prefer mornings, make them safer. Use warm, not hot water. Install grab bars. Use a shower chair. Keep sessions under 10 minutes. Drink water beforehand. Moisturize immediately after. Avoid locking the bathroom door. Small changes dramatically reduce risk. Section 13. What many doctors quietly suggest. Some geriatric specialists quietly recommend shower when your body feels strongest. For many seniors, that's mid-morning or early evening, not immediately after waking. It's not about fear, it's about reducing preventable strain. Section 14. A real-life example. Consider a 72-year-old woman with controlled high blood pressure. She showers every morning at 6:30 a.m. One day she feels dizzy. She grabs the towel rack, it loosens. She falls. The injury wasn't from weakness, it was from timing. Thousands of ER visits every year happen in bathrooms. Most are preventable. Section 15. Final thoughts. If you're over 60, this isn't about stopping morning showers forever. It's about asking, is this routine serving my body or stressing it? Your heart works harder now than it did decades ago. Your balance deserves protection. Your skin needs gentler care. Sometimes the healthiest change is the simplest one. Try showering in the evening for 1 week. Notice sleep quality, morning energy, skin hydration, dizziness levels. Your body will tell you the answer. Aging isn't about restriction, it's about wisdom. Small daily habits either protect your independence or slowly chip away at it. The goal isn't fear, the goal is strength. For as many years as possible. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more senior health insights and tell me in the comments, do you shower in the morning or evening? Your experience might help someone else stay safe. And remember, the strongest seniors aren't the ones who do the most. They're the ones who protect their body the smartest. Stay steady, stay informed, and take care of yourself. You've earned it.